Hey guys, Crafting Journey here. Good morning. That's when you'll be seeing this tomorrow morning. It will be January 27th, 2021. And that journey chick on Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you don't miss any of the updates. I finished this section and we're moved on to this section. As you can see, I've done like a little bit of the flesh on her leg here, on this leg. So this is just really going to be very short today because I'm not really here. I'm at a meeting. Winter weather advisory, snowed all night. I'm driving very carefully to work. Luckily, I only work a couple miles from my house for this 7 a.m. meeting. The winter weather advisory lasts till 6 a.m. They say the roads should probably be very slick in the morning, so I will leave in plenty of time. I will go very slowly and just cross my fingers that I get there safely. My boss is out of town. She assigned this to me to cover for her, and no one has canceled it thus far, and I don't believe it's up to me to cancel it. I'm not the chair of this committee. So I just wanted to update you. Tonight is Craft With Me Wednesday, 6 p.m. live with Marissa, the crafty heifer. And we are going to talk about the temperature blanket collab. I would love for all of you who are working on the temperature blanket, please share your progress in the Crafting Journey Facebook group or on Instagram, wherever, if there's a hashtag Tempalong 2021, post it there. Either way, at 6 o'clock tonight when we're live, I want to show off everybody's progress. Marissa and I are going to be there to answer any questions you have. We'll probably go for a couple of hours. Because she usually goes live for an hour right after me. So we're combining our hours together, and we will go live tonight as we are planning to do the last Wednesday of every month. So, we should be wrapping up January here, wrapping it up. Some of us haven't even started, and that's okay. I just restarted the loom kit because I was not happy with the gauge that I was using. I love the Flexi Loom, but I don't like the gauge for the yarn that I was using. So, and I don't want to buy all the yarn. So I'm switching to the S Loom, which has a smaller gauge. It's a little bit more awkward. Obviously, the Flexi Loom was really flexible, but so I am, and you'll see the difference. I'm going to show you the difference between the two tonight during the live. Also, I did get confirmation on Sunday's guest, so I can now reveal that. Drum roll, please. Yeah. Here. Okay. It's Stephanie Wolfpack. She's going to be on our show Sunday at 11 live. Morning show, Sunday morning show live. Stephanie Wolfpack. She's going to be on. It's going to be fun. I've never done a show with her. And so I know that like most of the country, either last night or today is under this winter weather advisory, and I hope you all please stay safe, stay warm, stay in your house, watch me on YouTube, and just enjoy being with your loved ones, and don't go out like an idiot like I'm going to in the morning. So I will see you all tonight in Craft With Me Wednesday. Take care, everybody. Bye.